Alright guys, so welcome again to my YouTube channel. So this is LITECOIN platform, just like a white cash app that I have actually made various videos on how you can be able to claim enough of that coin, which is coin, and then convert to USDT or BUSDT, which can be withdrawn or transferred directly to your Binance. So this particular one is a new version, just like white cash, and this one that I'm going to talk about, which is LITECOIN, is going to be of more benefit and much value than coin. So when you come to this dashboard like this, just like the way we have coin dash wild cash app, where you mine coin for free and then withdraw directly to your Binance. So the same way you are going to find out how you can be able to use this platform to accumulate a lot of coins, which is LITECOIN, and then withdraw straight to your desired wallet, which is recommended on this app. So right here now, what you need to do is to come to this option that is showing mine. So you click on this mine. You can see that I have a currently running miner. So what you need to do is to wait for this time count to elapse, so which is about 3 hours remaining now for me to receive this 10,000 worth of token. So I will just tap here every 24 hours and this will start mining. So when it goes to a certain threshold, which is the proof of work time, when it elapses, I will get to tap again to keep mining for free every 24 hours. And mind you guys, let me just show you the value of this coin that we're mining currently. If you reach the minimum withdrawal, then you can be able to swap it to WTC, which is LITECOIN token, and then you can swap that or exchange it for USDT. And I'm going to show you the value of this particular one. Unlike coin that has a limited or a little value when swapping to USDT or BUSDT. So let's click on this exchange now. So if you have earned up to, I just registered this account just yesterday, and currently I have earned 35,800 worth of this token. So what you need to do is to tap on this maximum. You will see that the whole balance will actually reflect here. So but there is a minimum threshold you need to reach to be able to convert WTC exchange. Now if you have end up to that, which require a lot of consistency on this platform, you can swap it or exchange it for WTC, and then you can be able to follow the next step that I'm going to show you on how to swap it. And you can also get to know the value of this WTC when swapped to USDT. So right here, so assuming you have earned up to 800 worth of this token, so you can see that the equivalent amount of it is $5, unlike the other one that will give you around I think 1.5 or $2, which is the worth of coin token when converted to BUSD. And you know that BUSDT is equivalent to USDT, so that is just how it is. So you can actually accumulate a lot of this coin and swap it at any time, or you can transfer it directly to this exchange Bybit. So that is how simple it is. So if you have, you can also open a Bybit account. It's just like normal exchange like Binance or any other crypto exchange platform. So what you need to do is to tap on this exchange, then copy your TRC20 wallet address, paste it right here. Immediately you have end up to that and you have swapped it. So now tap on this withdraw. Now it will directly withdraw to this exchange, just like the one we usually do on white cash app. So that is how simple it is. So there are also other many ways you can be able to earn on this platform by doing normal quiz answering, completing few other tasks like crypto camp, or this particular one, which is answering questions or quiz about cryptocurrencies, just simple tips. So what you need to do, assuming you have two phones, you can be using it to track these questions and get them instantly, and you can win up to 10 million worth of it. So this award awaits those who can actually answer 10 questions completely. So I'm showing you the secret. I've actually won this several times using the other platforms. So I have other websites or other apps you can be able to mine free cryptocurrencies and swap it directly and withdraw to your desired exchange. So let me just quickly review that particular one and also show you my white cash app. So when I click on my home page, you will see that the list of apps I have here that lines up include this wildcard and wide cash. So these are the two other ones. And also when I go to my home page and click on mining app, so you can see that I have also Wi-Fi cash. So these are the offers that I have here. So when I tap on this Wi-Fi cash, I will also show you, I will drop the links to this website and also the apps in the description of this video, so that you can be able to chip in right now. So you can also refer your friends and get a little bonuses from the app. So what do you need to do here? So you can see that there is also a mining handle. You mine every 24 hours. So when you come here, you see that the mining section is remaining 7 hours for me to tap here to keep mining. So you can see that the mining has given me 422,000 worth of it. So I can also exchange this to so when I click here, you see that I can also swap it to so this one will open on the let me just click on this page and show you. Under Airdrop, you can see something interesting here, guys. So you can see that the hook coin available on this platform can be exchanged very soon. So you can claim this very soon and exchange it. So what do you need to do? You can click on this. You can see that the estimated claiming date is on the 2nd of February 23rd. So you can keep claiming this and you can be able to claim and redeem it on the 23rd of next month. So that is why you need to be working on this platform with patience. So if you also want to exchange this, so assuming you have earned up to this gold token, so you can this is equivalent to within the range of $12 to $48 when it will be exchanged. So that is what I'm observing here. So you can also keep working on this platform and work on other ones just by tapping on this every 24 hours, just by tapping on this mining. So you keep accumulating and also refer your friends by copying your referral code right here. So I will drop the referral code in the description of this video, so you can get 10,000 worth of it and 50 gold I think gold symbol like that. So you can get the badge and also get referral bonuses and keep accumulating till this claiming date. When it reaches, you can be able to redeem it. So you also like other avenues through which you can earn. You can see that there is quiz to earn here, and if you come to mining again and tap on this NFT toolbox, you will see that you can also stake this. So I staked my token, and in the next 7 hours I'll be redeeming it. So that is how it works. So and you can also tap here and see that I also I'm also minting this token as well. So these are the opportunity offers that have been made available to keep accumulating more of these tokens, as it is being given for free to be mined on these apps. So when I go back and check on other cryptocurrency mining app. So you can see that when I tap on this the other one that is called White Cash, you will see the provisions available here, which include the ones I have also given you, such as playing games and playing quiz and inviting friends. And also when you use this mining handle, so you can also mine by tapping on this, so which I'm going to do right now. So as you can see, they have actually increased the mining rate to 16,000 per hour per 24 hours. So you keep doing that. So when I tap on this, you will see that it will start mining automatically. So as you can see, it's mining currently 6 per second, so times 2, so that is the proof of work time. 24 hours, I'll be getting times 2 of this earning. So that is how everything works here, guys. So when you come to this place, if you want to exchange, the same way you can follow. So when you reach 800,000 worth of the token, but I recommend you claim a lot, guys, because I have staked my tokens. That is why you are seeing this particular one here. So 185,000 is just the ones I've actually claimed in a few days. So when you click on this go, you can stake to earn more profit. So that is what I did. So I actually staked 1 million point something worth of it. So as you can see, and I can harvest at any time by clicking on harvest or on stake all. So all my balance will return together, so I can be able to decide making a swap and withdraw directly to Binance, which I have actually made a video on how you can do that. So if you want to withdraw it, you can unstake. If you have staked it, and click on this and tap on maximum. So when you reach 800,000 worth of it, you can submit for review. So when it is reviewed within a few minutes, you can come back to this place and tap on swap and transfer. So you can tap here now. So already when it is reviewed and approved, you will see your balance right here. So in a gold token form, so you can see the balance. So if it is swapped, so this insufficient fund of this UHGT gold will disappear. So you can be able to claim to click here and then follow this withdrawal section to your Binance chain. So you can decide to withdraw 50% or 75% or maximum. So you just tap on this and you see it right there, and when you click here, you see the equivalent amount of it in BUSDT, which is the same thing as USDT. So is when you go to Binance, you can be able to swap it to USDT and then sell it and get your local currency. So that is how simple it is, guys. Now you can also buy hook token on Binance. As you can see it right here, you can click here to take you straight to Binance, then you do the transaction if you want to buy. But I recommend you use this mining opportunity to accumulate a lot of these tokens, so and wait for it to skyrocket in value. So and also if you want to withdraw, you can tap here and withdraw straight to your Binance. That is how it is. So if it loads up, you will see the converted amount here. So and the minimum withdrawal is just 1.5 BUSDT, and you will need to verify this and paste the wallet address TRC20 into this column, which require your wallet address. Now the amount of BUSDT you have will reflect here after you have converted it. Then go ahead and click on withdraw when you verified your email address. So that is how simple it is, guys, to earn free cryptocurrency on this platform. It takes patience. So if you're mining these free coins every 24 hours, before you know it, you will have a lot of the tokens to be swapped. If you want to swap it immediately, or you can hold it for long, I believe it to have an appreciated value later. So if the same goes with the other last one, which is wild card. So I also mine this token, which I can as well swap to USDT or so this one, now you can be able to tap here every 24 hours. So you can tap on this join quiz. So when you tap right here, you see that there is an option that will pop up here, which will tell you to collect for free every day. So just tap here now. This 10,000 that is beeping. So what you need to do is to click on collect now. You can be able to collect this reward every day. So as you can see, I collected about 3,000 worth of it for free. So that is how I collect every day on this wild card. So you can also play games. So because of time, I will not be playing this game, but I will do that and use another phone to get the correct answers to any question that I'm not familiar with. Now you can also play training camp games and invite friends as well to accumulate more of this token. So when you've gotten up to 800 worth of it, so I also bought lucky box NFTs. So when I tap here, you see that you can exchange your token and get lucky box NFT as much as you want. So these are levels of NFTs you can collect with your cards. So these are the cards you can collect. So if you tap here, it will consume 2,000 and give you lucky card. So you can win limited original NFTs by using your tokens here. So that is how it works. So if I click on this, it will automatically so let's watch out to see what it's going to do. So when I tap open now, it will consume 2,000 token and I will collect this card now. So if you look here, you see that there is accumulation here. So I can get up to 600, I can get up to 1,2. This particular legend can be gotten up to 600. So this rare version of it, and this supreme can be only 30 that can be gotten. So that is how to earn the wild card for free NFTs here, and also mint the tokens as well by tapping on this mining. So you keep accumulating it, guys. That is how to make free coins here. So just tap here every 24 hours. So let it start mining for you. So what I need is to tap here now. So you see that the mining will start automatically. So it's now mining till 24 hours. Proof of work elapses. I can come back and repeat the whole process on all the platforms that I've actually talked about. So the apps are quite amazing. So you can use them to earn free cryptocurrencies if you're serious about making free coins online. So you must understand that they all require your consistency to be able to accumulate enough and benefit from them. So if you're taking these 4 apps that I've actually talked about today serious, you can't make less than $20 from them. So that is if you have never made up to that online using any of the strategies that I've shared on this channel. So guys, stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information on money making and crypto earning opportunities. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.